In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the tax on a product and also how to find the original price before tax. We'll be diving into a straightforward process that utilizes a spreadsheet to make these calculations quick and easy. So let's get started. First, you'll want to set up your spreadsheet to keep things organized and clear. Open up your worksheet and create 3 columns. These columns will be labeled as tax, net amount, and gross amount. Having these columns in place will help you visualize each part of the price calculation process efficiently. Once your spreadsheet is set up, the next step is to input the details you need. Head over to the tax column and type in the tax rate you plan to apply. For this demonstration, I'm using a 13% tax rate, which is a common rate in many settings, but feel free to use whatever rate is relevant to your scenario. After that, move to the net amount column and input the price of your item before tax. In this case, it will be $399. This value represents the cost of the product without taxes added yet. Now comes the part where you calculate the total cost, including tax. This will be listed in the gross amount column. You'll use a simple formula to perform the calculation efficiently. Type this formula in the gross amount cell. Equals B2 plus B2 A2. This formula effectively adds the tax to your original price by calculating the tax and then summing it with the net amount. After entering the formula, press enter on your keyboard and you'll instantly see the total price of the item with the tax factored in. Sometimes you might find yourself in a situation where you already know the taxed final price or the gross amount, and you need to determine what the original price was before the tax was added. Here's how you can accomplish that. For example, let's assume you have a gross amount of $450.87 and you're using the same 13% tax rate as before. You'll need to calculate the original or net amount. To do this, enter the formula into your net amount cell, equals C4, 1 plus A4. Once you press enter, you'll see the net price, which denotes the price of the item before any tax was applied. And that's it. Just remember, the formula for the gross amount provides you the total price with tax included, while the formula for the net amount helps you determine the initial price before tax. These handy formulas can save you a significant amount of time and make your calculations much simpler. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful Excel tips and insights. Thanks for watching and happy calculating.